is T. Venkatesan, Senior Vice President of S&T Group. I am proud to represent S&T Group, a company that has been serving to the industry for last 3 decades. This year is very meaningful to us because we celebrate 30th anniversary this year. So in our company, that product expansion, we starting from VMC, injection molding machines, laser cutting machine, and EDM machines, welding machine as well. So this journey we started as a trading in 1996. So we have been completely transformed into the manufacturing. At IMTEX, we displayed 12 live machines ranging from 3 kilowatt to 30 kilowatt, tube processing machine, panel bending machines, as well as panel bending also is a CNC complete panel bending machines. 30 kilowatt laser machines also we kept it, and we are having here bevel cutting tube bending machines also we displayed here. And this IMTEX is really good for us because STM is a brand where we manufacture VMC injection molding machines, wire cut, laser also there. But VMC is very well known to us. But this time, laser cutting machine is in a big level. We have made it in all number 5. It is one of the largest both here. It is comprehensive a spectrum of complete solution for fabrication industries as well as complete panel manufacturers also. This solution we can provide here. And anything we offer to this industry, we always look for customer satisfaction, long-term reliability, so sustainable value for the customers. We always keep it in mind. And Indian manufacturing, it's moving continuously towards global competitiveness. So S&T Group always remain committed and will stand for long-term reliability. And also we give after-sales support. When industry is growing towards a global competitiveness, we also remain in that growth. Thank you. Welcome to S&T Group.